Yep.
There you go.
For Renault rookies, who rely heavily on trades, Courtney and Hans have had a tough run. They lost their original builder on day 1, their tiler on day 2, and their plasterers on day 3. Even though they now have a replacement builder, plasterer and tilers, they're still behind.
I asked to see Keith, we had a problem.
Hey, Hans, how are you, mate?
With their schedule shot, they require a massive favour from foreman Keith.
We were in another predicament, yet again. We still haven't started the waterproofing. We are so far behind.
The replacement tilers are booked on a flight back to Sydney in a day and a half, and they have to waterproof and get it approved tonight before they can start laying those tiles.
That's going to be at about 9 p.m. tonight. Is there any chance after dinner or something like that you might be able to just swing
Mate, I
past?
knock off at 6 p.m, mate. Is that what you're asking me to do? What, come back at 9 p.m. tonight?
I can only ask. We're at...
Well, I've never done that before.
Careful, Hans. This is uncharted territory, and I don't like your chances.
If you could make it, say, 7:30 or 8 o'clock, I might be interested, and can't say I'm happy about it. I've given you a few duties about to muck around with these walls, etc., so, yeah, I'll do it.
Unprecedented.
Thanks, Keith. You're a champion.
Thank you so much.
Can't say I'm bloody happy about it. 7:30, 8 o'clock.
Done.
Thanks, Keith.
Thanks,
You're a
Keith.
champion, mate.
It's not all fun and games tonight. Hans takes Keith back over the road to check his waterproofing. Hoping for the OK for his tilers to start tonight, as they're on a flight back to Sydney in just over 36 hours.
Here I am, working at about 8:30 at night.
Sorry, Keith. I was relieved and apprehensive. Still, all it would take is one element Keith wasn't happy with, and we wouldn't be able to tile, and there was no way we could finish.
Perfect. That is thick, thorough. I can't see any gaps anywhere. It's one of the best waterproofing jobs I've ever seen. Good stuff.
Awesome. Boys have come through yet again.
All good. Carry on. Good stuff,
Awesome.
mate.
Thank
Well
you
done.
so much.